in Bethel, New York, which is where the Woodstock Festival took place.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's where we live. So,
Yeah,
uh,
we come with John and Mary Bishop.
yeah,
We don't live far from them, so it takes us five and a half hours.
yeah. So I worked for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania.
Oh, cool.
So I had uh, I worked for the Department of Corrections.
Oh, okay.
So I had a training. I'm a head chaplain in one prison. All the head chaplains, we all got together. We every year we get together at the training academies in Elizabethtown, which is in Lancaster County.
Okay.
So it got us halfway here with a hotel that's covered by work. So that worked out well. And then I scheduled myself for Tuesday, a little south of Pittsburgh. I got to figure out what I'm doing tomorrow. I took the day off work tomorrow, and then Tuesday I'll be in Fayette County.
Okay.
So I get a hotel for Monday night.
So let me ask you a
Yeah,
question.
yeah,
You said you work for a prison.
yeah.
Where are you going in there every day?
No.
No? Okay.
No, because the prison I work at, it's a different type of prison.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's changing a little bit, but it's a mental health prison.
Oh, okay.
And so it's if someone we have well it's I would say it's we call it like a program prison. Like it's you have mental health programs, you have like hospice care, geriatric, drug and alcohol treatment,
Okay.
and then if you're there not for one of those programs, it's either because you behave yourself and like you earn to get there and
Alright.
work and take care of things, or you probably get killed if you're somewhere else.
Oh.
You know, like
Okay.
it's like protection for
Protective
someone.
custody. Okay.
Kind of. I mean, it's like hard to describe, but that's kind of what I've seen. It's like certain guys are like they, you know, they would be picked on if they were somewhere
okay.
else. No, they're easy targets. It's like
Quick question. I gotta go see her in a second. I'm not sure.